So then about 2 weeks later, Grandma calls me up on the phone and she asks me, what are you doing tomorrow? And me not really knowing, asking the smart question, I said, asking you, why do you ask me what I'm doing tomorrow? I said, nothing. You know, so like, well, I'm not doing anything tomorrow. And then that's when you said, well, I got a chiropractic appointment tomorrow. I want you to go to my chiropractor appointment with me. And of course, I couldn't get out of it because I just told you I wasn't doing nothing the next day.
You see?
And so it must have been Desi. So then we went to her chiropractor, who was right down the road here, a mile and a quarter, a mile and a half from here. And he adjusted my grandmother and took me back into his office. And he obviously said 3 words that changed my life. He said, you know what a chiropractor does? And I said, not really. And he said, chiropractic is a drugless healing art. And those 3 words I remember just like they were yesterday, and that's what got me into chiropractic. I started,
how about that?
I went, I still didn't even know what a chiropractor did. Didn't know what a chiropractor did probably for 3 years after that even.
Is that right?
But I knew that it was drugless, and it was in the healthcare field, and that's what I knew I wanted to do. So
very good. I remember you always said, "I'll never do anything that will harm my body." You've always said that.
Well, okay, I might have said that. I might have done a few things since then, by golly.
That's possible. But you did have health on your mind.
Yeah.
You did have taking care of your body was an important thing to you.
Yeah, definitely. So, well, good. So, what would you tell everybody out there that maybe has never been to a chiropractor or just starting chiropractic care to help them feel more comfortable in a chiropractic office?
Well, first of all, that it really doesn't hurt. It just startles you a little bit because you're not knowing what to expect. But I think they should have a lot of confidence in the doctor and give it a try.
There you go.
Who knows? Give it a try.
Yeah. And who's the best chiropractor in the world?
Oh, my grandson.
There you go. All righty. Well, thanks, Grandma, for taking time to kind of explain how I got into chiropractic and your chiropractic story.
Well, I'm so pleased that it has all worked out well and that you've been happy in your occupation.
You betcha. It's been a good one.
Good one.
Enjoyed doing it, that's
Very
for
good.
sure. So.
Very good.
All righty.
Thank you, dear.
Perfect. No, thanks.